This is your moment to learn English. Welcome to GR. Take a breath and let these words reach you, because today I want to speak to the part of you that still believes in something better, the part of you that wants to grow, the part of you that refuses to give up. Learning English is not just a goal. It is a promise you make to yourself. Promise that says, I deserve more. I deserve opportunities. I deserve a future I'm proud of. And you do. Maybe you've tried before. Maybe you stopped. Maybe life got hard. Maybe someone made you feel small. Maybe you told yourself, I can't do it. But listen closely. You can. You absolutely can. Here at GR, we don't care if your English is basic. We don't care if you make mistakes. We don't care if you're starting from zero. We care that you're here. We care that you're trying. We care that you still believe in your future. Because learning English is not about perfection. It's about courage. It's about showing up even when you're scared. It's about taking one small step every day and trusting that those steps will take you somewhere beautiful. Every new word you learn is a seed planted in your future. Every phrase you practice is a door opening. Every time you listen, repeat, or study, you are building a version of yourself that is stronger, braver, and more confident. And I want you to imagine something. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Imagine understanding conversations. Imagine traveling without fear. Imagine helping your family. Imagine getting a better job. Imagine speaking English and feeling proud. Not because you're perfect, but because you never quit. That version of you is real. That version of you is possible. That version of you is waiting. But it starts here. Starts now. It starts with you choosing yourself. GR is not just a channel. It's a community. A place where you are safe to learn. Safe to try. Safe to grow. Safe to dream again. So when you feel tired, remember this. You are not alone. You are not failing. You are learning. You are improving. You are becoming the person you always wanted to be. Your accent is not a problem. Your mistakes are not a weakness. Your pace is not too slow. Your journey is not something to be ashamed of. Your journey is proof of your strength. So keep going. Keep learning. Keep believing in yourself. Keep showing up for your future. Because you deserve this. You deserve to learn English. You deserve the opportunities that come with it. You deserve the life you dream about. And here at GR, we're going to walk that path with you. Step by step. Word by word. Day by day. This is your moment. This is your beginning. This is your time to rise. Your future is calling. And English is one of the keys that will open the door. Keep going. You're stronger than you think. And you're not doing this alone. Welcome to GR. Let's grow together.